Hello everyone, welcome again. So today I'll be showing a blog about my garden. So I have a little garden in my balcony. You can already see there are a lot of plants. So I'll go through the my garden, how I have planted those plants, what are the different plants I have in my garden. It will be all about this. So you already can see this. These are tomato. This one is tomato plants. The flower already started. I planted some strawberry plants. They are fairly new. I planted I think 2 3 days back. They'll be fine. This one is already started showing it's already doing good. So the soils you can see those are the soils from UK. So those I bought as a compost soil, I can say. It's multi-purpose soil. So the soil already have some fertilizer in it. So I don't need to fertilize at the initial stage. Probably I normally do after 2 3 weeks later I start using the fertilizer. So this is okra plant. So these seeds I bring it from India because it's not fairly available the seeds in normal standard supermarket. You can see they are very healthy. Little flowers also coming. Hope it will grow well. But yeah, we'll see. This is the red spinach. You can say red spinach. Yeah. So these are we'll be eating. We'll see. We love this veg. We'll try. This is a new kind. It's not fairly available in UK. We can get it from some of the supermarket. This is another one. This is strawberries. The strawberries are like growth from seed. I planted the seed approximately 3 months back, and they start flowering. I planted around February, March, and this is June at this moment. It's summer, so they start flowering. There are little more flowers around this plant, so they will be going doing good. So these are coriander plants, lot of coriander plants. So normally I used to do like pick up few plants and use in our cooking or eat in salad, but they're good, doing well. There are little flowers, but I think that's okay because we normally cut the flowers before eating. This is a brinjal plant, or you can say eggplant. Uh, these are pudinas. This is also you can see very healthy plant. This is one of the 3 years, I think 3 years old plant. Every year in the winter time, it's the plants got dried and the summer is started again. So it's good. It's keeping the outside. These flowers actually we have not planted it. It's came up automatically and like it's more than 1.5 years now. This is here, and it's flowering. Even in this flower, I can see flowers in the winter time. Even the temperature was dropped to -8 to -10, the flower was there. So this is one of the nice one like we have in our balcony. That's why I have not get rid of. This is flower, so it's good. So a lot of chili plants is there. This is the cucumber, and there are cucumber with cucumbers as well. The flowers, you can see the one. There are few. I think 4 5 already. But yeah, it's doing good. One plant, it's already. I can see 3 4. I think 4 to 5 tomatoes are there. So in between the plants, I put the red spinach. Red spinach. So once they grown enough, so we'll use in our cooking. Yeah, this is a chili plant. This chili is good in taste. So yeah, Decanian. This is the Decanian variety. So this already a lot of flowers coming. So we'll get some chilies probably in 2 3 weeks time. This is capsicum. This is jalapeno. So all different kind of chili plants are there. So I have little space, so I try to utilize most of it. So this is it's called Mulberry spinach. So this is one of the varieties, mainly Indian base, but yeah, it is good growing here well. This is another tomato plant. This is very healthy, you can see. Okay, so let me so yeah, actually what other thing would like to tell about the this mulberry spinach, like the leaves we already start using our cooking. So the plants is growing healthy, so we'll use them soon. So I come back to my tomato plants. So a lot of flowers. I can see few flowers already blooming. So I'll be expecting few tomatoes probably a month or two. Bit excited though. The lot of strawberry plants are here as well. You can see they have a lot of good strawberries, tasty ones. This is very tasty, and these ones actually these two below ones I grown from the seedlings. Actually, like it's plant seedlings, like because it came from the other plants. The mother plants is this. These two are mother plants. The size it looks bit small, but normally it's grown bit bigger. It will be big. This is one of the rose plant I have. Not much flower this year, because the reason I might be I think I have not changed the pot. It's there more than 2 years time. So here are the other two good plants in my garden. This is one of the black currant. You should be able to see some black kinds. I think have few. Yeah, that's one. This one. These are very nice. Like little bit of like good taste. Good to grow in home. And there are another two you can see, right. So there are few already have. I think last week. And this is gooseberry also. I think we should have some gooseberries. Yeah, I can see one. Yeah, that's the one. Yes, you should be able to see as well. Yeah, there are a few gooseberries in the plant as well. So I think they need little bit bigger pot. Next year I'll be repotting in the bigger pot, because you can see I have little balcony and it's full of different plants. I try to use most of it and I love it. But let me know how you find my balcony gardening. Any questions, let me know. But give a like if you like my video and the way I manage my balcony. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.